I'm going to get this rubber out today, replace it. See, this bit of power still gone. And my hook scraper. Nice, coming out a lot easier than I expected.
Oh, sweet.
I know.
Do you want a bucket, or are you just going to keep it on the floor?
It's no point. Oh, you never know. I took a bit out. Yeah, I did get it, yeah. To start with.
Would you got it out of the run with them?
Tap the Dremel. I think I did that the wrong way, didn't I? Okay, let's go. You are going to find it's a lot stiffer until those rubbers compress a little bit.
Yeah, because
okay. So, do you want to have a go? You got to push the door almost like forward, like compress the rubbers a little bit.
yeah. You can tell it's already rich. So it's like a good push.
Good push the door, yeah, out until those rubbers compress.
Cause yeah.
Yeah. It's great, you've got a few extra millimetres there.
That's brilliant, thank you.
Alright, all happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Lovely. Alright, that's us all done.
Thank you very much.
You can see the video on YouTube later.